This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Ray Johnson. Fixer-upper, as. Great home located in quaint enclave of 15 residences, each built West/unique style and flair. 2,199 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with an open floor plan for ease of entertaining. There is abundant storage West/lots of closets, including a floored attic. Upstairs features 2 master suites West/organized closets. Main level has a guest bedroom or office West/full bath. The cathedral ceiling GR has a stone fireplace with built-in shelving. The dining room opens to the tiled back kitchen, breakfast bar and eating area. Easy entrance from the eating area and guest bedroom to the private exterior courtyard. The driveway has a secure 1-car garage with mud/laundry room entrance. In walking distance to Decatur City Schools and easy access to restaurants, shopping, Emory, and CDC. For more information, review the details below or contact Ray Johnson at 404-771-9336.